This question, a fraternity wants to buy a new LED smart TV that costs $1,470. If 7 members of the fraternity are not able to contribute, a share of the remaining members increased by 5. So how many members are in the fraternity? There are n members, and share of therefore, the share of each member is nothing but 1470 over the number of members. Now, when 7 members are left, 7 members leave, so the total number of members are n minus 7, and the share becomes 1470 over n minus 7. Let's call this equation 1, let's call this equation 2. And we are given that this share 1470 over n minus 7, this new share is $5 more because it is increases by 5 than the earlier share, which is 1740 over n. So we need to find the value of n. So we just need to solve this particular equation. So let's bring everything over to the left. So we have 1470 over n minus 7 minus 1470 over n is equal to 5. So over here, we are 1470 is taken out as a common factor, and we have 1 over n minus 7 minus 1 over n is equal to 5. So over here we have 1470, and in the denominator we have n times n minus 7, and over here we have n minus 7 is equal to 5. So we are given that 1470 n minus n, if you open up the parentheses, that's n minus n plus 7. So this is 7 over n times n minus 7 is equal to 5. So if we do a cross multiplication, this n minus 7 goes on over to the other side, and we have 1470 times 7 over 5, which is coming as 2058. So this is a quadratic equation. Let's open up the parentheses and bring everything over to the left. So n square minus 7n minus 2058 is equal to 0, which means that the value of n is minus of minus 7 plus minus square root of negative 7 square minus 4 times 1 times minus 2058 over 2. So let me just simplify the parentheses. That's 2058 times 4 plus 49, and the square root of this is 91. And since n is the number of members, and the number of members cannot be negative, so I'm just going to write the positive answer over here, because this is 7 plus minus 91 over 2. So we are just going to write the positive number by taking the positive sign, which is coming as 49. This is the final answer.